Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Mwancho murigere karibu sana anenge sensemo ya gatatu y'umurobere gabo twani ya getembe na kunafanya hati leo kumanya nigo ebreviga byakono mwambi tobachugosanga anabarimu abo bari abateneneri bekyombe ya Kopetko egase county ya Kisii ekirabono turache korigereria engana gosegetambukero gikyombe ekyo kurika barimu ya TSC gose Teachers Service Commission kenyarete gukora kwiwana nebyombe abarimu erio gukora erio obanyare kurigereria amagania y'abarimu ari abere ose ari babere bagotwara ase emyaka emenge okwiwana gukora korekane kuro omwaka oyo iga 2025 ose engane yogo chiko chaka onye no mushahara komentwa engane yogo chaka omutinyo yoiga omwanchu muri goika omwaka 2029 korende totara chaka gose ntarachi gosanga anaborabo ngo kuboli nyaro tangana into asichinza mocha Facebook na kwa YouTube una Getembe TV tikambali gani asinchira ire yabene ilinde tonyare ko gendera. Good morning Timba kwani good morning teachers
wakire bya
ngo wakire
bya
ose no muri ko roke kirasi abana batinda batanga good morning sir
batigete lero mbaligote neno batigete kale
ngona bogo so ko wakastore wakasiasa
wasomi lesson ya 40 minutes
karibu sana ya Getembe TV so murobere gabo twani tunyare gusanga meti gose muwete bya wase bado
kadiri tu kiasi
mbeona kieko gusa
asene
atagara Mr. uko manyo mwancho murigereria tari aho abayo kero kende ekero kyaongereke. Yes.
Jengo kulaba kusire huko. Mwalimu nde school ya St. Anne's Nyangoge Girls. Egotoka bonchali. Na ande ninjengo raba ali mubono monyakero go Kupet Kisii County. Ewa.
Mbema sana karibu.
Mbema sana.
Mr. Maticha.
Jengo kwa Samuel Maticha. Maticha for teachers. Ndio slogan yangu.
Ono na abarimu asobonge no wani.
Igana bere igo. Omwalimu nde gasomye skuru ya Ayora. Ayora gutoke tago sub county bogirango maate. Omwalimu wa chemistry na biology. Na ende igonde omokonyi bumunyakero ase kiombe gya Kupeti. County Rosario Idro Kisii.
Mbema sana karibu.
Kwandi gererie gerate vera so chemistry biology.
Yes.
Enjengo so chemistry na physics.
Chemistry physics.
Ewa.
Wagero mwancho murigereria nganye lakini ngana karibu sana. Na ekero tugucho tutarachaka nganetie omwancho murigereria onyare konyora achibichecho naki omotenere OTSC na boigo tenete kiombe ebyombe ebyabarimu nakibanyarite gukora chinkwana naboigo igachibirengere ibiri banyarite gusanga kero barenge kubika essay uko iwana uko kumanyakanete una a collective bargaining agreement go CBA yo mwaka 2025 wika 2029.
After a long journey of detailed and thorough negotiations, we are delighted to inform our more than 400,000 teachers that we have a CBA deal for the period of 2025-2029, which we have signed with the elected representatives of NAT, KOSNET, and KUPPET today. As a commission, our first commitment is to safeguard the welfare of our teachers, improve their terms and conditions of service, and ensure industrial peace and harmony in public teaching service. The Kenya Kwanza government has recruited a total of 76,000 teachers in a span of just 2 years. We have also been allocated 1 billion shillings for promotion of our teachers this financial year and 950 million shillings for recruiting of senior secondary school teachers. Further, as a result of government's investment in teaching service, we have today signed a CBA with all teacher unions whose total cost is 33,753,372,108 net for a period of 4 years. In order to address the concerns raised by the teachers through their unions, and after elaborate negotiations, the Commission has awarded a salary increment of up to 29.5% for all various cadres of staff. This award is geared towards bridging the wage gap between the highest and lowest paying teacher in public service. The details of the salary award will be provided therein. In terms of allowances, the Commission has increased the rates for payment on baggage allowance as provided herein. All other allowances for teachers remain as per the CBA that we have signed today.
This process, of course, can reduce wage inequality to address gender pay gaps and also improve working conditions. Kenya National Union of Teachers wishes to inform the public that today the employer has presented a counter proposal to our demands before us for engagements. Said and done, we wish to tell our teachers that the timing, much as we consider it to have been late a bit, we have achieved. The counter offer before us here, well stipulated with the discussions that we held here with Teachers Service Commission, I think teachers will have something to smile about.
Mr. Ouko.
Yes.
Kirongo chaka nae. Isabali iga mutarekera SBA iga. Na kisabali iga yabe.
Omaite asili chiko. Kire miaka ene abakori gasi imeshara yabo ne bwente yakolerwe review. Na ndi review imeshara minde ya menta. Singincho inflation na makanande. Bono buna kupet ntua begeteka a proposal yaito omwaka wetete umutenyu ikomi which is the Teacher Service Commission. Amagani to buna bali mubato tebeti. Bali mubata gete basic pay emente by between 15 and 100%. But 8,000 allowance every uniform across the country. Lande emente by 20%. But gete commuter allowance every reviewed by 200%. Asingencho ngakio moelio house commuter allowance ya change tigo ya lingo mwaka 2013 ine miaka 12 ngaki ya mafuta lenge silingi 90 lita bonige petrol 180 yange 200 lita ngabali mbata gete commuter allowance ya change senjo ne fair para ya mentre sana na amagani anda mange ntu atete extraneous allowance ntu atete risk allowance hazardous allowance ntu atagete kwerende change ku career progression guideline eliego to make us promotions cha bali mu change ku so in the avions people abege tuamo bune proposal to kaira TSC
yes
tukaganya barwe counter proposal wakingusa sana so kure counter proposal na ande maida serikali ngojerea cha sara abantu chinza chinde kairigeka one kiraje takorangere union chiwiki sato chia itire egache tabwati kende kero yaje tabwati kende nario ya totetinga within chiwiki sato ngojere ne proposal counter proposal ibare tatabona moisonde na ande nere yo twakore tego sign buna SBA nya aba taligento ketoko gete mon
ningi
ebinge bye bintu twatagete mbikiranete bono bali mu ndogokiri na CBA yiga bono ekire gocha igeroro no nya geto geche dineroro rakini tetoko gete turojenga amaganita mange buna bali mu tagiranete
wakwana una basic pay
yes
makanetiamente ekirengo kya
50 to 100%.
50 to 100.
Yani umuntu.
Lakini bakanyara komenta.
Waona wamende the 5 to 26%. Na ndo maidere graduated. Ulio kwenye romo sharo monene pi ne road 5%. Obage 5% yego maite by 4 say nje ko ba implemented as emia kene. Kimiding umuntu le chief principal. Igamende to 1% kiro mwaka. Igonya ga kuli 1,100 1% nelibu. Taribu. Igo nelibu amentu. Alimento mwako yeli next year amentu eli bwende ando mwagonde eli bwende igo tari gento okwegokeri oiga onsepinere konyora 23,000 igamente tuchibeke buya igamente tuchiribwe sana igo nere nili bweli igo kenga tuamente tuili bweli lakini oligereria mangaseti jira kuligwa ora kagenga kero mwalimu ngo
abarimu bose abarimu bobwate getarie kenne around
inero propaganda mede serikali
mbia mona sana Mr. Teacher serikali yegote banga bwate birengereria vya sana muchase aworokia abu moreno SBS abali gana kiabeire
Renyore mbia mona selibaga renyore abalimu all through asobogima bwaito we have been teaching without a CBA kitu ko nga kientangania CBA ya retatu ya lenge 2017 previously kura sama tukaitire president yense gocha yatenene roadside yata na mendra abalimu musara jibesinga naiga without a document no unions inchia initiated Kupet together with other stakeholders for education by initiated yo sign with CBA Tangani the year 2017.
Yes.
Yeah, run for 4 years. The CBA ya 2017 ya lego favor mono administrators. Na wa menda tuchiwa chinyinge. Ega face out the old system ya grading. Kama ya koleta grading system ya jagada 2018 ya lenge berambi was I think narang kukona about the grading. Ya lego tech umwalimu kurwa soira se career yae emiake menge inobati ya rweta around 11 cadres mwalimu akwanda 11 promotions amanya gukora kobe chief principal so CBA tokayaremereria paka 2021 in the year 2021 tokalengera linaende bone serikali ngochere tusainie CBA ende elinde naende torogo center benefit abalimu ba we classroom mba benefit union yaito ya Kupet tukabeka ji proposals cheto kolengana na balimu ba totabi kujasa wa national executive board ya bagwe karansa as a negotiation table ali Nairobi wana karaba twaire proposal to our surprise the TSC ga chabosa buna ya the last time na ya chabosa asengenjo the former president Uhuru Kenyatta amatenga tabwati kenda ako lose tato akende ino bagitaga twagenda tokora kamatana the CBA
inere
matana the CBA ya saine tiwe ya lego tabanga aba madam teachers bakamentu maternity leave for 90 days which is 120 days. Now our male teachers bakamentu paternity leave for 10 days to 20 days. Ikine kitu asaini 2021 no money no nothing. Well no. Amangana ya kaera ego tokalera tokarasa ego toka amangana ya kaera kiagera balimu matana bangwana lakini ende tokagendera go push for a better terms ya balimu 2022 karo our president William Ruto abe president agaja review akego through negotiation ye union agatamenta everybody bikego across the board which was okay and which was not bad lakini onu matata etana ko bako gokolia kaira no kora because of the taxation policies change ono rende twaikire 2025 twaremereria CBA twaikire 2025 CBA ya maternity ya college ya elire bana and we had to negotiate for another CBA yoguna chairman yonataba they negotiated last week CBA yabwekera toko ya legally critical ebintu byonsi pikolengana neji proposals che union egendonkeyo ndatebe pase nga serikali TSC Service Commission yaikera neti kolengana na proposals che bana
mwakuniriti wake yake
twakuneti jibasejio una chairman yataba nelibu turanya tamendre because isekuligereria kulangana job group mondo job group D5 senior chief principal amendre 5% a principal senior principal amendre 7% kwanda lakini kulingana na magania itu na atwatagete chia even allowances chikora chirigeliwo ke wholesale ke chance chirigeliwo allowances twale kwa ngakichira mo toko ni minority abali especially bono even though the elephant in the house is a stagnation as in the same job group. You know, it's only in Teacher Service Commission okogende skuru osome okole masters okole PhD lakini tokomenda mushahara na 20 baba treated the same way no mwalimu onde or in job group B5 yani you are the same. It's only in Teacher Service Commission and that was one of our proposals abali baita bange basomire inki ekogera Teacher Service Commission tariko consider that is postgraduate allowance umuntu kuwasoma ingi wajerete school is to improve maybe on your salary kidogo watumia jiba sinyinge walimeni ga mentri experience na ora ali no tigale dali wano igo tariko ranga serikali mbigo to treat. It's only in Teacher Service Commission to work on leave allowance chiri winya isana isatu which in other sectors when you are leave allowance ya kero mwaka ba wako njiba chiri equivalent to 1 month salary. So that was we were not asking so much engabuna the year 2013 to ale got discrepancies go say a difference yo balimu na sectors in the economy wale waka njiba sinyinge ndo kanjinga tukupedia gaja with a good proposal. We are not demanding so much, harmonize our salaries. Serikali nje igwete ka harmonize wana na our allowances na jiroje tigeto uniform onye na allowance ta twins uniform una abalimu na bokonyoro tagetego somi ina town school ya kilometer rural area na bokonyoro meter rural area kilometer town to harmonize kirega ni chi allowance nyinge is only teacher there was a time mama to allow propose to rules to face out na energy boarding school. Then only mwalimu okonyora like principal deputies boarding teachers duty teachers akonyora bako work for 24 hours in school kolenda bana ba Kenya but musara no lioli other sectors of the economy and waendega saa 3 barua saa 11 lakini walimu ndo akapata
ile free inange ngodanga to goroba time ile free senge njori gereri mwalimu awenda report school by saa 1:30 ya mambi elikira Education Act na formally chi school Kenya nichigwenda chaira masomo saa 10 lakini nandi gukurigere libuya kwa mwana konyora saa 10 yega mwalimu igana bwenete akole gorende aira bana games kuru saa 10 mpaka saa 11:30 1.5 hours free labor mwalimu igana bwenete aira bana bachiko serve kuragera tatebe saa 12 mpaka saa 1 so mwalimu igoro ete mwaye saa 12 agukura nandi kuira na mwaye saa 2 hapo tuko chinsa abwende gotoke gasi saa 1:30 mpaka saa 10 lakini ore maambi okore ochire 1 hour ali atari wakan maragoba orure eskuru 4 hours late igokore 5 hours free ona gegora to atagete to go overtime allowance go sex trainers allowance senche gasi yege nyingi abari mu bagokora kyara bakori banda pons begasi be serikali saa 2 ba wiki gasi batwara lunch hour bagenda lunch babunga bati abo gosabu ote nene raino odenga injo saa 8 maide schools njibo atiki school chirojo njibo at time maga break kali mwalimu go agera go korero mwana gete sabu moyiboli gete nara odedo go consult binge sana so na gegera bani batete extraneous allowance eyo etabeta factored in as a negotiations yechi igo negotiations yechi ga so bwenge mwalimu tayo chigokerete na serikali ego yanjite gutumia propaganda ngabono era bali mchibesa maide ko genda yato set ya servant public ekero ko serikali wadenga to allocate 33 billion to teachers kero munda akoranga kena bali mwabahiga bono babyukire lakini gogoja go ligeringa 33 billion jiganinki bamanya wadenga pai ya 8.4 billion 8.4 billion igabono gegocha so mubuko bumwalimu ndaitenko example omwalimu job group C3 boniga mushahara ye ole between 45,000 na 52,000 mwalimu 45 na 56 mwalimu yono maite choese ngamente tu amende tu 7,700 gross. 7,700 bono ndete tonye minus orus 30% tax ase 7,700 hiyo ejim 510 serikali ya iri orusi 1.5% of gross tali agagamento gross yengima igoto mbinga ase 7,700 is again around chiwezere ngange 30 bob orusi 2.7% 75 ya sha tali okoragasi ande ngange 60 tali okoragasi sha no boibi NHIF wete sha ari bobe orusi NSSF yamende tu yachite so konyoranga out of this money montamende tu 7,700 siringi 900 na ande serikali kutukana nacho yote siringi mwalimu amende tu siringi 800 na chamende tu lakini kero monta expected improved living standards sio mwalimu asenjo naye 233 billion naye 233 na amende tu mjara naye 233 billion kulingana na mangaseti iko na kiko eratu atagete allowances zichiga chipe adjusted asengencho no mundago akoreke nga akabesa gasukire kera basic pay yero oroche kire gento kire target on basic pay every deduction na kitu atakerete harmonization yege chibesichi ekigetabete egento kende tutago geti pinkelinga e party ya promotions na stagnation ya serikali
Mr. Ogo akaindi omete na botora agende lakini job group safety kakero kene koleta sio tutukana
asabanta
yes
tango jete
ekero toro chenjira chivekire abane tori familia kusoma nchomwe tamaitenga job group safety gachabari muka kene ngichiminete
echi job group echigo maite ninjira ya leta tune serikali go to beke ntubuna bali mutosinyu compare n'abantu bali in the civil service sengenjo kale to alinganda schemes of service as schemes of service chijo group chi alinga kawaida G H J K L M buna kiro monta manyete bone kero ya change coding ye chijo group cheito ekero to akorera tu kwerende nakiguru kwanda baba price waterhouse kupas bakakora job evaluation yo bwalimu baga change bakaruka job group enkepi woni gaso bwalimu ko ku B5 B5 very equivalent na job group H as a civil service C1 very equivalent na job group J C1 in J C2 K C3 L
yes
C4 na C5 M ina ndero boko roroje kiara job group iwe nje kwende kolengana na ya mass civil service lakini C4 na C5 name D1 na D2 neni D1 na D2 N D3P D4Q and D5 were R neuroje civil service nero nebo at those all those job groups otatigabana kugocha M na N asobo alimu no ichite kabaganu M kabaganu ekaruku C4 na C5 asobo alimu yere mistake na kegara kuna balimu twali watenga ki totete C4 erusi kupi onde bonzi ole C4 agenda C5 ebe e job group ye mo ikoruku M D1 na D2 chibe kwamu D1 erusi kupi onde bonzi oro aso D2 elinde kero muntu tomanye tengo anya nabantu bese gendeli muntu ndiwenzi ole D2 ne deputy principal talinga mo deputy principal mo ba D1 mo deputy principal ndo ba D2 ingole deputy principal kwa promoted na ndego atikara kwa deputy principal kina kitu alikokana na C1 na C4 na C5 ba ko senior teachers bono kwanyo umuntu na role senior teacher ole C4 na role senior teacher ole C5 ngaga ucha kwanyo promotion bado tatiko change kende no atikara tali buna senior teacher so na chechi job group na keko aratu atetenga ndotagete chirigererigu obohia elinde chibwekane kabisa na civil service elinde no anekero muntu okora transfer of service ngororo bwalimu ogenda usene ministry of education no manyete yo equivalent job group ogochi ase a ministry gali currently lo meta balimu ekero batakere goswa gochi civil service eko ba disadvantage to them ase njoko nyorali na very small job group na ndakomenyo miaka 15 to 20 unaona ndo atandu bamenyire C3
kuna B5 abambara
B5 abagamba bali basugetigo abantu bali ba P1 basugetigo
B5 is the entry level for P1 teachers.
Yes.
But as from I think this year because as a Kalinjati train P1 and so train diploma it will be phased out. They will phase out the B5 way. But the B5 per se na entry level ya P1 teachers ba primary agero go kwa kole TTC rikale ba train 2 years also ejo emeremo also na B5 ngabuna agero wa ya agero wa ngabuna agero wa kole a degree in university also ejo secondary school go somi also in C2 agero wa kole diploma bali baga somire kamwenja kagumo Kenya science ebaga so with the C1 maybe they will face out because nowadays in diploma bago train. They will face out because P1 ngurweroro bago go so a workforce na C1.
Yeah, bari college. Nabo go na tebiri.
Gomo sana mubwate buna yega ya M ejibwate C4 na C5. Nabo go
na N ye wate D1 na D2. Ine rege ntege tangani ge tarari gererigu ekige chandete tegito chandete twensi buna bari. Gento yakabere geto chandete twensi buna bari ne chinga kyo monta akobere job group em.
Yes.
Omwalimu osomye omwana. Omwana ukora form 4. Ogenda ukore university. Igo mategero mwalimu ajagete kosomya omwana ukali form 1 igo kore myaka ene indi omwana ege form 4. Mwana ende university myaka endere irenga ene igo yegire 8. Mwana graduate obere izwe myaka 3. Igo yegire 11. Oli ikwa station eri yo mwalimu oyo. Bali oli kuba no mwalimu oso asitu. After myaka 3 oso asitri baumira no mwalimu ali. Babe job group em. Kwanyoro mwalimu ali job group ege myaka 15 20. Umwalimu buno yo maite no nyanza salary review ekiga bono kero to kwenda to are CBA nyibune ya bete taro chimana ya CBA already are the peak yo mushahara bwe job group iyo igo yani tari korra change inde nene ase bogima bwaye bono kwanyora umwalimu igano wanyano no mungusu bokore gasi omoyo bokore gasi oyere tase ngenjo orenga kende ni nkora rinde lyonzi kintu nkiyoge gokora ki kego change so na kego era into egente kenene toligerete boniga na mangana promotions tuko turanyale gukore problem yo kobere job group ya myaka 20 into twari umwalimu obwato omoyo monene bwokore gasi currently abalimu ntoli demotivated as in just stagnation here
and the comment na hiyo serikali yale wanja TSC they was go peg promotions on the available vacancies eji mabagali aro as administration wana maite kuru wana ngo promote go D1 go ike vacancy to ke yo ko be deputy va create scenario where digo mwalimu abe promoted oyo gotaka ko be administrator abe va create this special administration allowance oyo tata digo be administrator abe classroom lakini promotion clear cut promotion siewa. Number 2 chinterview sinchiro bali mbako genda chinterview sijekera bali mbachire kuna bono ngende interview yoko genda koba mo deputy maybe kolengana mabagale ngororo timba promoted kanga elmalieta ito akobe database no don't really yoke even go to C3 or C4 malieta kanga aba malieta ya bali akobe database so that nande mbate ko barangali for another interview aguna aja tunyago interview lioka kwa nande kwera na go interview the same thing wana bali mbarara buna bono bajire chi interview isatu for a promotion to C3 which is C4 and still mbarakara bara succeed nkio nande kwa nyoro oyo ndo rumagega obaitani ho ganda of promoted igo kina kiro kine gento kibugate mangana mange yego se mechanda se ase mangana promotions ya bali
ekiro to krige backlog ntobate around 130,000 teachers vaveire vaukomase SMM lakini ekiro krige mu baroli mbaige tino 40,000 bali serikali yanyale ko bake ukine birogo kirangiro ikaongera
a system to change your promotions. A change a system on how teachers are going to be promoted. And maybe as per saying to go kato komenyera with the hope we know was Emilia ngolianga a system where career progression kolengana na hope serikali atoete nkoruiro next year June maybe kurubona paka next year June 30th na ande ngoi karanse torenga scheme kiengia abali bako bako ba subjected to ba collapse C4 na C5 ba collapse D1 na D2 chibe maji tijibe kurende job group yam never
ndiamentega enjera yo katoko kore mechando ya promotion serikali etiga gokoria bali mu interview kera chinsa oligereri chiwizara chionse p asteo na rore bantu bagonya gukora chi interview lyoka koba promoted ogende Ministry of Education ne chi ministry chinde umuntu agoswa ekero bagoswa mono bagoswa job group C1 J kero bakoriku kwanyora barabukire myaka 3 umuntu usukire interview etayo omuntu onya gusukibwa
yes
kwarore so interview umuntu agocha gokorigwa ekera atagete ko gubono a serious administrative post. For example, origeri TSC etagete abantu bako ba commissioner na bali bako oli ogobe CEO ngokori ko bali interview. Lakini gatega tuli ko interview ende yonse gatega gase abantu babo ngwa kore tu interview kamanya gosuke goche job group ende. Bone njire kababegete ngasubu ali mukere promotion na ngoetere interview ere public njire iga ene strategy bali geti yoko gendere stagnation. Yani barekane nga barabungo tema bali ko promote abalimu umuntu wedenza chinde na asinje to commit qualifications ngaki yake ya interview nande kene kya mangana nkilina ki
yes
qualification teyo muntu oro mwalimu lero igatali ko nyara commit azenje muntu tayo oro mwalimu lero rega utanya ariko ba principal abantu bonse p babwate capacity yo go principal sinje course teyo yo principal because yobo principal na experience yake kyo mwalimu ine
kero mwalimu na hawe
kero mwalimu na bwate capacity yobo principal inche proposal yane yale oja kubanga ki
yes
tigaje promotion chief law mpaka no nyandi 3 o mundu utaito bo principal apply ero koli ku interview yaye oyo utatagete tiganya gusukere che job group ki chiaye endo mundu o apply ro principal senje twenzi ndoko wa principals oligere libone gabali mu tole a job group for example abantu bali C3 yoka iwara bali mu 70,000 abantu abonse pimba ko ba principals lakini bonse pimba takere basuke chi promotion tikabasuke chi promotion kego ike level y'abantu bono bali batagete ko ba chi principal ba apply na kinje nimbo ate interest yoko baki e principal yo tatagete ko ba principal tikayego job group ya D5 abera ali agendere bintu kosomi senginjo talikero umuntu bwate passion yeyo yoko be principal bako beka igo stagnation yako era tumanenga kire myaka 3 usekire myaka 5 umuntu ngosukuri by the time increment chirichi job group chiko era wasuka goche the next job group abali mumbai motivated lakini boniga igo baligeti enchera yoko agishanga bali mumbali gosuka nakego bato begere the interview bono ligere umwali muligire C1 diploma agoenda C2 after 3 years arobila interview koruga abunga enye gatete go C3 interview C4 interview C5 interview igo mwalimu by the time agoja gobe a chief principal chi interview ara bakore nirenga 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
minimum
after every 3 years assuming you are lucky agonya ole promotion after every 3 years tali success aya abantu ngo attend wal interview satotanya gonya wala promotion eyemindo medeni myaka 6 ya itire ina certain joguru paka kianda with the current kurende gababegete abantu bon hospital C4 boniga onde bonzi ole C4 boniga obwate myaka 40 alisho ngataka ba principal azenja uja kuritaya ataraika D3 so nagyoka tutaitebe reviewed elindebe raise for abantu kunyora chi promotion
karo manyete sometimes back kwenye scheme of service ye taraje career progression do what the scheme of service ama tukaya kaleiga egento kialenge one siole C3 ya lenge job group L unogo kora interview ayemo
sawa
asante
Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandegere uzito somya bamura bakikuya
Salva Kiir ni nyagitari ya Kerero asumu cy'ubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare negekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guce Kilgoris nige kurwa obugwenia asenchira ya Kerero asugutumia chimashine chikerero abwasi bwatabanya gitari bobwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbobwate inpatient gosechi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochianka mbobwate maternity ya Kerero yubwate chimashine chikerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chenu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoroiga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukulingoria nobuwenia bwa maisa gose optical department abwase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbwate boigo ensemo ya maino gose dental section yebwate chimashine ichekerero yobwate boigo pharmacy gose duka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo onsipi aliuraganirigwe gwetania onsi liguririabo neliansepi ngwanchira bale umoroberio osha gose bale bwate umoroberio osha na boigo nkurike bale umoroberio osha otarigwakanira kende gyonsi asamange bakire simyase number 0799747414 Salva Kiir Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono
Omogusi igwa amaguliniga kirwa moroka ase eduka ya Shah Ceramics igulire deformed bars TMT steel ordinary nails square tubes, round furniture tubes, black pipes, black sheets, round bars, wire mesh egatibinto winde evinge tubasi namagulire niga ainsekigima asekire yuka ya Shah Ceramics tutarelero ijuwenyorere estokeye itaraera nigo tukutuka sinsamchiri cha eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheli guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka yibwate emixer yibwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutari rero elibwenyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamura baje kuyamandege uzitosomya bamura baje kuyamandege.
Karibu sana mwanjo murigera nekiro togendete na balimu ubare ase balimu ubarenze kyombe igya kupet abo tore no munyakiro gona bwego no mukonyo koraiga urusagia rwe county ya Kisii togendete kurigereria egetambukiro kya serikali ya Nyayo tukamukya na murone byombe bya balimu igoro yo komentwa engeri yabo korinde kora sensemo yabo naraiga bagendete gusanga anaito Mr. Maticha kwa watenga
nale gotebanga kurangana muno mu chairman ona teba chinda fito kunya gora chinyingi konyole promotion engineering chiale tuna career progression scheme to what the scheme of service kale before 2017 omwalimu akora interview yayamo kuno akora interview yayamo kwaru utwa wate kwala so emeremo kwa job group K ya kwa job group K after miaka 3 kwagenda job group L ikirwa ikire L from there iyalenga automatic ibuna bonera automatic ru C2 go C3 kuruga wekera we ikire job kora interview kerwa kora interview yo ko be administrator bana interview kwa ga job group M ikirwa ikire M na boko be deputy na boko be principal troje ine miaka 2017 ujima na boko be deputy na boko be principal so kuruga bwimbi ndaisi yalenge bona iko le C3 omwalimu ale C3 akole interview and C4 tali deputy takwa principal nando ganye miaka erenga etatu ando gokora interview ende ikero akole interview ende na ende onyo go succeed ogenda C5 toko ba deputy toko ba principal omaye ko ganya ande miaka ende etatu asi yoro teriango
uko moyo
amangan nabakorasa nabakorasa buno mwalimu bono what we are proposing, we were even proposing a proposal either yarenge asengenjo yo ye economy ya change ego change buango ebintu bya change. We were proposing to Teacher Service Commission ninga na nyene CBA te basa go ira 4 years ira 3 because after 4 years kurubono ebintu bya change ripi
paka 2029
ogoja konyara 2029 mafuta lita 350 ogoja konyara 2029 was 400 shillings. It's not possible. It is only the other day mafuta alenge 80 shillings toka 10. It's only the other day chibando je igete 70 shillings yo motoliro toka 10 ngakai chibando je wega 70 bona it is very normal chibando je wega 200 to ere very normal ibono ebogi mango change bole nanya commute allowance eri tu airu korue mwalimu achagete meremo 2010 go jinse commute allowance ya $4,000 or $6,000 chibese joro chibinto mbichenjeti nakiko toko tabaranga generally after this again toko tabia serikali yetu tokole job evaluation vis-a-vis the economy to the economy and what we get ngo support bill wani ga bali mu babwati besa wane kero ko atinga kwa government besa shilingi 600 is just like a slap on their face na into wana buna barai babo
igo kono ko sekererigo
ogo sekererigo ne chacha ogo no go sekererigo roje mwalimu olenge B5 eibata ite korusio maite serikali na nkora B5 eibata ite korusi na roba amended by 28.6%. Eibata ite go face out ogo ja C1 bono na roba mwalimu amended 27%. I think 27%, 23%. 23%. And 23% for 4 years. Gogoja abalimu baita abange bono majority of our teachers bali baso at service like junior school teachers na bali bakuli kubono bali C2 abamentre usen 17%. They pegged for 4 years. Trojibono ikine the slap ato slap thing di bagatwala ko batiga ego.
Yes.
Tiga to baego. Lakini lende walimu we are determined and we are set for better negotiation. Again to try balimu baitu no gosameli. Una barai babo to buy hope. We should not lose hope.
Nande mo oroche ka nande paka muganye 2029 na limurachiko bekebrero beni.
Ase part yo moshara. Oro realistically one of my day ekwende buna yabete signed ngoirira industrial court egachu aroro ndoko nyara go change katia egendo doja kunyara go change bono na samanga na job groups promotions chabali TSC yarwete commitment nga netagete toikaranse bune union na barabu toligeri job evaluation. Job evaluation eganja akole tukale. Yago ngede 2015 kabla CBA enyia kabla CBA 2017 job evaluation nja akole tu. Eya results cha tutanchiranite. Singe just results cha job evaluation yeye choro getinga abantu bakole gasi esguru mbabere. Mo principal no deputy. Yani gere responsibility. Ndabuba bekere tu.
Eyar kuero mo.
PricewaterhouseCoopers igali njya koleta job evaluation totanya kwancherana. Asinge nchase school omwalimu okorwe subject teacher. Ulibona kwa kawaida okorwe classroom teacher. Chiga sia okorwe nechi nyingi sana. Kera kando na wasomia mulimo ulio yale specialist ngokora ali mentorship ngoga idea abana eyere beyond yo gosomi. Kando nekyo ngokora ali guidance and counseling nyingi. Kando nekyo ngoirara abana gali konacha their skills and talents. Ebine bintu abantu ba PricewaterhouseCoopers bataligere kero bagota job evaluation inga kielia ekorokinga bone classroom teacher tabwa atiroli ende otateka kwatendi birase na kugenda nka oligere mundu korwe class teachers school abwate basically ne principal ya class kili nero komanya mwana ki absent mwana ki present ne amangana discipline nero mundu modangani ko handle nero muiboli po abana bali class. Any issue paka correspondence gati ya omwana no muiboli ne administration na ali involved. So wakonyanga abwate chigasi chinyinge sana lakini PricewaterhouseCoopers tichiti kapchecho ndiri aliko na the final report. Iya gereta bona balimu ikatoka nga bali 20 totally principals na deputies tokarekana nga ntubwa role in the school. Utateka maybe kwa ndege rasa na so mutane choki. Tubwa tega si nyinge. Nageko rabono job evaluation ni round igabuna batebe tenga mbali tayari ekoru before June 30th. Na into to bono to soke to amasisha balimu baitu naki every small role toka kole school go ikebe captured as a job evaluation hiyo elinde egasie subject teacher oyo korokwe classroom teacher kwa kawaida emanyunga ne nyingi sana
ya motivation.
Yes, egasie class teacher emanyu egasie chi heads of department chimanyu chionsi na andi kando nekyo all heads of departments by appointment letters ne employer teba buna boni gerenga ne school eko koega sibune head of department utaliko nyora kende o kolega siobo head of department ya kende ngeyo echo digento nke ya konyora tofauti kase echo di boni gachi school cheto Kenya echo dis bonsi p ibaron acting ndata yo bwate irube imu appointed to na HOD by the employer eline internal arrangement ya school na kitotenga all HODs iko tutaite by kwa appointment na employer inyoreri irube nga labani uko kwa bere promoted as HOD korunyango gega either within nyango girls wasento school wende yonsi bune HOD imanye tenga na atumu na employer na under roles chane chire clearly defined chiri HOD chiri imanyete endete ikiranga ki yani kero ekere abere go bono maite ndaisi bono gotenga bono ngakane for this job mongete beyond yo basomi kwane
one gato konyana ko
currently na kyo ko because TS temanyeti kwanza ko sana HOD oko ga interview bago bolinga no HOD ande ko erali rube di baga bara bago go to system bamanya nga HOD bago go saba bago ko bolinga kwanya ko be HOD meaning bamanyeti
kwanya ko be acting
kwanya ko acting elindora bune employer to bwata ale joka that inde HOD alinkagete ne gasi nene sana ngogora nyangoge lakini employer netomati to break so nakekora tutagete konya gutinira kindi nakitotete batige utobole konya gutinira kindi tobe in the system nga maticha Samuel nero utenerete sciences eskuru ya yora aireri rube na teacher service commission endo muntu gakobata igase kurende ya maticha ase kortie sigari umanyengo muntu akari kungakigete aka promoted ngakigete go chigete akaba appointed HOD ngakigete igo adisabeti gentogete na gentogete na gentogete currently mbabu atende kindi system that's why tutaite all HODs baba appointed by the employer watu warama ruba are official from the employer ekyo will change ebintu bingi sana asobo ari mu boyiga kerekana le abantu bayira maruba official yoko kolega in school a principal etomere bune principal a deputy gatombo bune deputy na nje gatobuna umwalimu wa chemistry na physics ebi eineri ruba mbwate you have been sent to go to Nyango girls to teach chemistry and physics and any other duties. Bona any other duties ejega se njonchi manyiri tindi kwa kam chairman ko bachi nyinge kubwa chirindi keirengo nkole kwarore
mbe mono Mr. Maticha abose ukwana emere moyende gochiyaba piye tari serikali kama
Mene mengi chibuno chairman yataba togo kora serikali tamani lakini nemanyete lakini ekombia nemanyete nga ngokora dure meremeyo lakini ombete mon sports ande ko curriculum ngoya kora tole kero ko ganda interview for promotion serikali ngokubuli ole ntange certificate ya ko curriculum obwata ase wa participate ripaka maybe at the regional level, county level, or national level. Number 2, the Serikali created the boarding schools in Kenya. Tiango tayo muwe kana we boarding teacher. Boarding teacher akuboka chinsa kianda otura abana. Kera tulira abana wa settle down saa 11. Naendo baba supervise abana basoma. Ogenda ochiwesi bisa 12. Maybe duty teachers baba breakfast baba settle. Bwesibi o prepare oje class. Naende nero kurara bwo moelio saa 6 kera bana bakole barali.
Naenda ngaki abunegero mwana atarwari dibutu.
Abunegero mwana atarwari dibutu. Omwana okurwara nero ko muimogia mwire nyagitali. Umwana oyo kende kebe sukuru kende kebe ro umwana sukuru gose nagwe sukuru boroire enjera bali mbaramenyo kigwe sukuru gora guminya kai aga ngumwalimu nero bwate sumu mubegera aga nero mubekere sumu gosomo zero moita so ine meremere tedious abalimu bagokora I had a case igoro aso mwalimu achiete go arenge sukuru over the weekend go make order kumba mwano abana babeire errand abana barero babeire buna babere mbaliko gambereka kumba mwana oyo etiri na abwate simye sukuru kai esimye bwate sukuru ananaiga ndange simye akamabwate sati bono ndaite turuana bono ngakyo ngule simye you see bono ekero konyoro we have had cases abalimu barwani buna abana lakini at the same time serikali yokana balimu bakabane biranye lakini ekera balimu barwani abalimu bantundu bakabana biranye biranye serikali yakanete
ono discipline nerera
umuibolia discipline omwana oyeka ntuga yato itomotayo omwana naki totagwancha bega tindageti yatari kumu suspend and okurangeria county director kumu suspend ekera nyire county director goja agotabi naki bono omwana oyo mutike ko curriculum boarding schools in SG school nebinde binga bali we even SG school into toko idea bana no different careers babona tako ganda karaba ko school SG school ito ko lebinte binge ko make sure there is abana ba Kenya very comfortable lakini bono asijiro lichon sibi serikali yao mbibionsi pi yarore genteka gosomi ombi nebi maetenga karato lakini go gosomi buna for example kero ko iro bana sports requirement ne linga obuiko nayo ko baira ni charge lakini serikali yao mbi kintu liko kora ya manyanga yo no yo gosomi gweka Actually serikali seko serious na abalimu ntuna abantu abaya nande ntwanjete emirimo yaitu kiagera we chose to kuba abalimu. Ngwira ni mayaga se CBA naende apart from ngira ni mayaga igoro ya CBA apart from serikali goto promising nkorusi tole career career progression June next year. That is something good. We welcome it bana abalimu ekine gendekia kiagera gendekine kiato jandeke ngabuna encho era se nyomba ime to suguma korosio egento ken nande naroje ekiagia kabere getabu getali chibesa matuka etire umwalimu akeraso mire miaka na wakonya wasomire miaka na onye 20 onyole interdiction magosa akonyoro onyole interdiction 20 years ye yoise koli sign na bako ku pension chiao wa benefits chiao wasomire miaka yonse konyoro onyole interdiction no nyakole 58 years wasomire koru 20 years toli konyoro ken ako ganda ko panda kai goti moke.
Yes.
Lakini bono naroje the Teacher Service Commission inja create na new CBA umwalimu aise ko konyole interdiction abe dismissed from service na bakoewa benefits chae pension chae tikonyora koleire gas
twabiri tugutwara chi transfer chinde amatukabangwega ukwa bari mbako mrungani chi transfer cha korekanire yakene njiriko ba favor
transfer zo mai dentro kara bantu ba gutwara issue ni transfer ige go boil down to gento kili twara oteba kiebesa oro mwalimu kisi school tanto mie kisi school ga mwalimu ngo igwale enhanced house allowance ye municipality arusi gwa gato munyangoge asengo sawa ngo siriale enhanced house allowance oro mwalimu inego kini transfer ukaigo betalibo namba ibere oro mwalimu nyangogeli kwa bero myaka nge 8 sengenjo ya FA gatotabwati besa cha commuter chisaine kwa mugire loan kwa gachire nyomba gali sune kailinde kwa ndi skuru amagoro elinde economy ogota magwe balance kero kwa kore kwa gachige nyombe kumanya kwa gwe transfer kwa tumwase na aleko somikareli ya hapo secondary school ere magena rugoro korusune gega se bono kunyakua bekere ngabono agano bono tiambera kwa kwebangeire korusune gapagari yabo litukelimo kogenda gweka 200 kwirana 200 eje bere 400 nebe sustainable ina ere mechande koba egento abali mbonsi batayitasa mangana transfers igali ya support ya TSC nebo tegorende yabali mu request for transfers tigani request transfer na ndekero na request ingenda asigete tago ntumase mutakiti tigangenda asaiga na chora kero kwa gwe option each school isatu tia ingire any of these schools senje nche na chora te tiliko chiko igubo benga na very inconvenienced lakini kero okonyora mambito applied transfer ndeyonsi watumire tuwe school geterare nande tima itina kibago chibakora bagwa kishanga bakwirira asigitare pia se yani utata yewo nando maite kero kutumwa sebunali without any monetary value otali konyora anything buna monitoring akwa very transferred on promotion. That's why again most of the civil service abantu bako ba transferred on promotion. Oligere civil service mono bantu bako ba bona asobo ali mu because of chi transfer chitabo at promotion ogomba koranga most transfers in punishment iko yani bataka to bago chande bo saigo bago disturb so nageko era bali mu abange bago to are complaint lakini tuwatemere kugamba na Teacher Service Commission bona gaiga se county to abatebiri na ki umaite ko iro monta asa tategeti gotali mwana twakonya
igo in fact abantu ba notice tana
yes
ndo tsembare batigete mere mwange myaketa to yaeri
yes bachete bakabari instated
yes
ba nande tali bonse ba chide still to asibata
ndo tsembara ngemia banjire kwira nemere
yes asiki umanyete oruzi uno distant wajia otomuturukana samburu rugoro umaite igo turachenjiri kukende namatesa hali ali gweteligwa. The moment you monta or kiringa inchi health wise was say insecurity for insecurity reasons or even for family reasons. Sasa injo to gora chiga si chiga to lende family chetu ninga niko colleagues around this region. Mubeko rabe productive because na ro nero tete kwenda so babu no this tani colleagues na ro opportunities chiroro. ase njo kero muntu akore egasi around asale comfortable arochere convenient asale omoyo gwo kore egasi okora ki okomenta lakini kero okonyora nari kwibangire gokore egasi buna bono bwangu iga bali mu ba junior mba kujitransfer bange sana umwalimu wega nari akonya ago settle down nari agwataka mwana agake akarigerie skuru aroche nganere igai umanya gwa ku transfer to another place ategero to me migo se 200 every day na ndine piki senge njoro chikusiga ba ndo bwadira mi buyayo ne piki gomu njirgo so binyoro umwalimu wego mete bone bideti anganya ko ruga konya arurenga onyora ka skuru akayara iru mwana oya umanya ko to a place totally inconveniencing na no moyo bo uchi asa ibona okoraki okogendanse eventually ngokumi umaide abanafunzi senge ncho liri kwanyorenga gwasukumira pingo teberenga senge ncho kamusharo gutanya kogenda lakini ase ncho moyo tayo abana bali na baho karaki bakomia nobo bebwekero okonyanyasa omwalimu nandu wamwagukira effect yo gukira guri kwa iterikora kana immediate ego chase results na at that time there's nothing umuntu arakora koraki uchenje na kyo garantu tuatemere ko engage TSC iga se county batotegerere sana to a very large extent batotegerere to kwatinga yaya tegerero yo iga marara mikaye batemere ko babeka kero montange na saliki ali comfortable. That's why currently nonya complaints ro inke go ntoko nyara gukora chionse toko nyara rumade gukora chionse but to a good level to anyare ko manage but to tete TSC at least etumie bato nelia bantu ko request transfer tigo umuntu agendere go chora se igwete ko genda onya tinda icholi transfer ko runyango emedinga number 1 ninde comfortable with my working number 2 mukubone tara complain onye mukubu tara rabobe kingo kolegas njo manya tinda robe ngike ko chando yego tete kondusi asende comfortable no mukubu ali comfortable na baiboli bali comfortable
Mbe bona sada Mr. What teacher ase transfer koneho
transfer tebona diko bangane ile susuro yani the transfer must not be punitive na bali mna wawena tabamanye yonga Teacher Service Commission they go and transfer go punish that on the day that one is non-negotiable but in that they got tabanga kisiaiga we have tried to negotiate na Teacher Service Commission no, though not 100%, but to a larger percentage, more than 80%. Because kisia igo maite, chisukuru chinyinga chirega abarimu bakande skuru, maybe bago tara ko bago tumia chipeke. For your information, ibuna senkuru etago sub county is only one school. Orali ne matatu ikere nchero ende school. One out of a total of 24 schools. So the Tago sub-county. In South Mugrango, Yonspi, the only second, I'm talking about secondary school. Yes. The only secondary schools, orali ne matatuaga and oikogenda, nchiweta ni komi. Chinkabobe, out of a total of around 48 schools. So it's chitigalete. We go in a pigi, or circumventi mirima, ogenda pakandonyo. Osa kamvendi mirima ogenda paka nyaimera onjo kana ne mirima ogenda paka onye nyamacho ogenda paka orogale so you see bono ekero korusha umwalimu totebe nga kwarusira umwalimu getembe ga osega daraja mbiri oseka notunga masojo ase maybe ale gosoma kandi notunga masojo abana baye bagosoma the nearby schools abana bake omobeke esukuru erenya chakiro gole kionga bono mi igamina dia move ne family ya ego chiga alia ande ukamwire transfer mutinyo kabere bono nalia kane school fees ogolera bana uniform bono ngakyo so these transfers bono egento kero ronkelinga egento ko request our administrators transfer nyingi chiko initiated neji administrators ndonda aba requesting kelinga in schools we bali yenjera a system yako kolemeremo na bali mu banks mwalimu tayore mokong we mokukwana utabe problem ngayeno mojano ngayo to komanyo mwalimu nabakonyora abwa stress kurua sa eruete sosie ngao linde omwalimu abe comfortable gukora emirimo ase agokora nonya mbono naro egaseti igagoteba ng'a TSC yabeire requested ya embrace egento ekorwa negotiation when there is a problem and arbitration ekere problem weroro so that abarimu na workers be commission bakora emirimo bari comfortable nonya koti ete ya Kenya ise kwenda koti oteba egente giachire in this court between these two parties give us time to arbitrate okoba guaranteed. So transfer is not always the solution. It's not always the solution unless you mwalimu request ata ngabono na overstay iriga maybe a family and na very away from my family but no mwalimu very away from my family for 10 years. Saja boli okuboka kerema bikwe kwenda kerema kwerugera kwaro muborangeti butuko miaka 10 to mwalimu buno inagwenda takora rwa mabera abe transferred to gochia se station ya se family ya yerang na rara rugeru no mugungurire ndanywa metaga akanira chombe
mbe bona tana ndo kwate buna opore merwa baremo kana ya bere ke okwanero nara no nyana nde ase chigazeti eskuru nere me abusia kaunti ya Busia etapwati omwalimu ndebwes TSC terikonyara competition korase serikali komenya kwebulinga nkikiragere abalimu kwanyaranga abantu mbare basomera to bwalimu abange lakini kwanyara chiskuru njibwato bolemero abalimu balikire ne serikali
ngira nirigyo Germany atarero niria asomo bweka nontate ko Tago sub county Tago sub county eskuru nere kuruku Karungu yasiegetu because abaibuli bangete koleta abane skuru ne serikali nebegeta abalimu oro 8 abalimu baibuli bangire koleta abana so serikali ekaja akora ekayesieka because of this sponsor kamanya gopime kararanga skuru ebuli chesieku na ndia tokola ebe yegole ekaje kayabereria abaibuli leta abana kala ndia skuru eiba yegoire lakini mwalimu tayo tomiru joro that is Busia. I'm just telling you what is happening here home bana bajire actually abana bajire but serikali iratuma mwana there is no capitation so esinali bune iyo abako nabeko nyarekana eskuru enjarengo bune iyo bona nakomo kwekana nabeko nyarekana eskuru enjarengo maybe gasieko kare asieko bono maybe the community was a sponsor etaka ko yigora naende ekere utaka ko yigora bona serikali will again take a process yoko tuma bali muchoro for example we get me principal ere job group D3 abo batayo boni gamina bugusiga iga etobwate na Kenya etobwate so abali mu abange chisukuru chinchiroro chitaranyora substantive principal etomo mo deputy ole job group D1 ose D2 chisukuru nchiro chinyinge Kenya ga ba deputy mbakalete mbaisaini bona maybe inere logistics chiro kiagara mbago toma mwalimu orobosa igo gochigau principal nere gotangana erinde welcome abantu
nande imentena ki chisabone nyinge skuru ko bolerwa bali
skuru yigerenge ni achagete 2022
skuru engeni chagete 2022 igabo area leadership nero ya iregeka ya right on the job area leadership oyero mubunge nabantu bandi na wenda be serious asinge just a procedure skuru yako baiga kero mwacha a community ya chagire skuru the community go ra karanza ya twara community each meeting minutes chali kabisa chair to the county education board but before chichi county education board bagenda to the sub county director's office of education auto moment quality assurance ogenda ulikenge skuru nebwate basic amenities nebwate chicho nebwate birasi nebwate sabana barachesere ebina byegora aligereri once nebwate abana omo quality assurance yoli ke report kirali ke report na libono skuru ega request ego ko to the county education board kero ya to the county education board county education board nere ko etie skuru ko registered kero ya accepted the recommendation ya iru pakati Nairobi Ministry of Education. Ministry of Education is skuru ya registration certificate. Once skuru ya iru registration certificate na ande bantu bali ko bwati bagenda TSC esku ya igorerwe a file ya to record. Once you to record, that is when TSA uchaka gutuma abana guche school weyo abali mu guche school weyo probably procedure imbara bwati yonsi onye babwatiri yonsi a problem era benga school inga ye relocated relocated in a place abantu baroche ngare hardship na tumwataga nikochi ase nje ya guno mwalimu nanda eno muibori no tagetekero gochi gokoregasi onkorigero nga inkomenya nga ingobeke family ane. But the first thing wabwenda barateba nenga a process yegabanye kolire kere itebwe kaini buna karungu is a registered school imanyire ebwate code TSC igero koje tumera abana abalimu might be a bit easier asenge njonere in the system eyigende we kabara check ibindi byonse pinga ki mbire met onye ba mitire byonse area leadership nere ligi incentives chiragere umwalimu wanje goje school eyo because onye ne mu principal tayo tete kwenda gutendera school wada abana 30 because na gyoko nyerani mwada abana 30 mindinga school ite bwati pesa na korani school ninki nechi pesa so goika area leadership nere che imebono gabu ere ete buna bono bursaries egwate tenga mwana onde bwensi gocha school getega senjere nya for the next 2 years tuarule bursary abana bonse pi bagoje school eyo na aro school chiko kolero igo gaiga ande chia pikiri ekere area leadership very sensitive etata kwa gacha school aya nkigeona gekogera other schools chaburo abali mbaroro akini bare abake bonse pepata ite korwa okurige ratio yabana abana kwanyorere very bad no madesa babwentangani ngaye school yere located na kingo iko kero ayuno mwalimu yendo kuri na kingo ikali nga inkomenya yene gas lakini na kingo iko nga inkomenya onye na sengo chikutumia 300 kogenda na 300 kuhirana tinta ketego chiyo namba ibere bando na baradenga to komenya ngine school chinyumba njiroro senja at the end of the day as abwe asenkomenya wekatu wale chinyumba chire decent weketu wale chi school chingi asengo nyara ko hiro mwana one ase njonyora weketu wale ana kanyagitari angabu in case of illness yoko nyara okoragi kogenda bono nageko erase buna ikwanyoro mwalimu otenga agari aya alina mateso okoragi ngogenda second thing yakogera chi school chinde chaburwa abalimu environment is hostile. Naboko enda to an environment asai abaibuli barabu bar hostile. Usabantu be community bar hostile. Bachire ba storm school for security reasons when into akiaba bagere kelio mo bungo lyago chokwa na recklessly. For those reasons mwalimu will want out of that school. So a school ko made ko attractive even to nebinge goika abaibuli babe abantu bara accommodative bare supportive of the teachers and the entire school goika omuntu aligenga social amenities chirankonye nche buno omuntu kero nanyorega asinchirororo elinde amanyagwancha kogenda asayo. That is why in places chilageti social amenities nakegora chiko bazoned hardship kero cha very zoned hardship ebe sayacha bono to cater for my transport this long distance na hardship allowance bono nabongwanja kogenda to this school ngaki yenale lakini serikali yangere chibe zangu chirororo na ukoragi nakoira
ento kende na ende maybe mwalimu atakere go transfer is maybe ento koroka institutional support and opportunities umwalimu are a very good drama teacher lakini anyole go back to school etali support that drama was a very good coach ya football go back in school where it does not support and the school thing awano my chairman here is very good in rugby. Maybe he's a coach of rugby. Anyora in an institution where rugby teyo. Anyora there is another school somewhere. It get the services here. A teacher would also want to move to that school. Kiagere school wale they go support an opportunity to exercise is a expatriate. Yeah, nevin.
Yes, na nekiro otogendete kurigeria yega. Kero kende ngoso atore bono amangana senior secondary schools. Mwavere moko somya abana kuri form 1 weka form 4. Kero kene mwanyolire en special training echiri ko semu yaliganeti no buna aboroke. Yagira okugenda bono kwa kero mwebori kuri ase umwana funzi ndo bwensi na sabali.
Asa mangana senior secondary inaro che omotenyo igonane first training ya banu ba senior school amangana retooling inde torere approaches chinya cha senior
Aigo
school
muraba train.
bono the first training eko mutinyo gonan holiday yo mutinyo nane na wujibona serikali ase kindo jenga ya chakire kotema ase nginjo last time kero junior yari nge gochaka ase ne crisis bari go solve no teachers no training muntu go soana na knowledge ga yaito ya kawaida ya 844 koma yakonyora almost everything ikere different bono ngo chakero mutinyo gonane kuna kisi ndoche targeted 2700 teachers wabe trained mutinyo nane yama iko na progression across yani gochi December so a program gochi agere. The only good thing as a senior school is that abarimu ndoro but the junior school barimu mbalengo abarimu ndoro all we need one on training nege ntugia kabere one very serious ile serikali wende kole e pump resources bono yogo akishanga every senior school nebwate working laboratories maite kisi county eta chisiko chibwate laboratory chiko colleagues laboratories are very few chinyinge iko bwate chemical store no roje
Esto abantu bakaba
and kere school maite neche of STEM all schools njere kere school neche STEM sa bintu bya science na mangana current technology so serikali wende move with speed wakishanga ntubwate working laboratories workshops as school chetu inde tonyare amangana STEM asengencho CBC. One thing you're very serious about is that CBC is hands on. CBC is hands on practice intali bintu byo gukwa no method 844 was more of rote learning how much uko inyure bintu CBC boniga no gukora etakere by the time umwana gukura grade 12 ebe bintu mbiro akonyara gukora even without college education practically so serikali weke invest in actually ubo bwana bonene tibuli aseri tooling yabari asenge njuntu omaitendu ga Kenya ga rero into mu a country na China Japan ye what the CBC inje go adjust manage go implement CBC raisa senjo already ninde prepared as a teacher ebintu bike bone ginte kenene bono tali training eginte kenene is facilities chogwa gishanga to implement inje bono mwalimu wa chemistry na physics nkali kutoke laboratory liyoka bono ninta ketendo laboratory yane kere well stocked ready kere well prepared ready to receive abana abayiga elinde invited through the practicals elinde bakole these things as they are supposed to be done. Ineronje my greatest concern as a senior school implementation ya CBC.
Mbe mwana sana Mr. Matita as CBC ayokwe bangire kegema
CBC ye
yes
though serikali yanyolirwe lakini tiranyolirwe as a senior school because abarimu ba senior school babwat master of the content, they are the subject experts no nye ba change the subject but we are experts in that. The only thing is already we have been to a tabi we serikali ready and willing to accept this system. Ono ne training tu kidogo retooling, we call it the retooling kidogo in the battery system. However, according to the new system, facilities is key. Facilities is key. Because abanaba curriculum nyinga jire primary, jire junior school. Now bago so miguna 844 because difference there. I was narego gamba no mo education abisoya mo tabanga according kolengana na CBC classroom setting ngeli ko babune kegere bona woni go goja watu na wasiali watu yabana good morning to kwalika watu yaba chemistry to so malero the more concept lakini gali abana baikara stay na ina table round kwa ba task kwa batenya bana batano iga ndagete mo college ndege kero mundo akora
mogo sona practical
yeah also was supervise it is very easy we are prepared kabisa for implement that curriculum as long as batoe Mate bintu ne binge kaganiri during that time. For implement the CBC ebe boronge kola ngane jinze chinde bana cha implemented. Timaeti go se Kenya nere prepared go rua ebintu biganiri. Because in the class, apart from like STEM subject, you know gonna take classroom setting a change kapisa kabe a classroom gego so mi abana ebintu bya CBE rabatanga competence based education. Elinde aba ntuntule tayari that and bring it into a criticize the serikali that you have not done this mura colleague Rusi junior school primary school mayaras serikali ma de teriko go so no ma de serikali teriko go ma de serikali go kwana telekin teriko go toriga tabi era kwana ya kwana so igolende ntole prepared
ya amen ta se kwerende obwo bwana bonde kando na facilities nege ndo iko ku subject nchikaro subject nchikaro nkometinga ki na kitu goja kwa jenga chia some go properly singi cho currently shortage nchikaro nene chika chia arts bono chia bo music
yes echo kuna busie kwa hiyo school nyingi nchiriko fa magana music
yes
arts
chika magana woodwork most of those subjects na chiboni gakanga twachagire kuri ngaki inna kichiko chako implemented ikara igo okogane ko everybody ngaki one CBC asoire senior school kiregento amagani alionsi pi abantu bachagite CBC babwate abe implemented bono abulo challenge kali ngati bono ningani nganyara kangamba ndavinso games bono mbe specialist ya sports sengi jonero ntoka tagete sports because bono talent base and no bintu birebia ntoka wade challenge yoko nyora abantu bawo ko train bono serious people about sports because it will be taught in class ikwende general ko the subject trend na jiko just strand wabujeruka inde medemba ko subjects matuka jiko strands ebintu gete goze learning areas ngeze bakaro goze learning areas so ntoka ne iribono kanga to ikaranzire topora na kitogwa gishenga all these areas ngo bachire covered obwo babonde bwa gatatu bukalenga nakia bana baucha kwa placed chiskuru mbada tuwete chi procedure
serikali abagire chiskuru
bagatebe go cha korone system kugotaka kuchenja umwana okurase skuru atumire is quite a cumbersome process ngoja ntoje tuboke January amanya ko nyoro umwana igatumire skuru gete ya Northeastern atumire skuru gete ya Mombasa ege omagani to ari goja kubanga abayibuli baye gubusibuli boko beka abana babo skuru banjete bose bari comfortable ko gicha chibwate capacity buna yabete no transition koru primary gocha junior njabo ateberera sengi njono muyibuli oli ko mwana yesu ebirazi byakete but iberera nga in terms of umwana obekirwa sente tageti ngialengo umuyibuli obwato possible boko beko mwana yasata na school teiyo yatwale the shortage y'abana ba junior omete junior boni kanere boko le primary boni ga junior nere boko primary nere bota abana bange so in the same way I would have wanted umuyibuli still atwaro possible boyiga boko cholero mwana oye secondary igwete ali comfortable kogicha ebwate capacity yo admit umwana oyo kubuyiga boni gabatete nga na serikali ekora placement ega serikali ekora placement there will be a lot of complaints abe nande no chorole January ndoje tumena nega neje deburukana
nande barusie clause ke bagatebanga not more than five students from the same junior school can join the same senior school Clause ya kunkara.
Mede ne mistake fa
ne mistake bakarusio.
Onye bono na mwibuli ole nyangoke gali omonchali, nyangoke primary. Oteberenga omwana ororenga mwana oyata kirache nyangoke omuiseke ache nyangoke girls. Tindo oje sababu akukane rukoleta abana babo bonse pe nyangoke girls. Ko kiche kwata capacity. At the end of the day mungi incapacity. Capacity ya school na kero mwana anyore access to education. Bako mojani babeke nga abatete bakole una konyego korweli yo kubeka bana form 1 ya rekoleta a lot of crisis to wake ruchisimi nkonye kongiriro mwana one skuru gete skuru imwachi ko request mwana na capacity nero bana babeke sege abekira bange ebono ya bid moja kurikinga ningo tumaite Ministry of Education gintu kiri nkirikia boni gatiga batigerekero mwibori ahiro mwana oya skuru ari comfortable
Mbia mwana sana mkwena sorry Mr. Maticha Obrai Voino inse kambe yakupeta namona at the county level naki ebore
Obrai waito ase county ya Kisii twasabire abalimu kuri 2021 twakorera mang'ana mange yogo make sure that Obrai bw'abalimu mbole abalimu bwenjoy bale in their ase mirimo yabo bakora yiri tukasire tuko asa mang'ana ya arbitration asa mang'ana agitation na kuba represent ase chinsemo ao na koira mang'ana agototebia to the national as the national executive board kolengana buna magani ya bali mwale ali tutanyale go solve ase county level Well, for 2021 we have been in office and we have really done with me we are A. Nabongo in the scale of 1 to 1 to 100 A nabondo jitora above 80%. So kelito tara kolega we are prepared to implement more other things. Buna kolengana tora rosi manifesto yeto kuchaka next year balimu togenda another cycle yogochora leaders we will be there chairman yone we defend ye position cheto asa balimu baito ba Kisii County because of the work that we have done ekorrekan ndundu kwana bintu bitali korrekan to kwana biribi korrekan na kogendereria ama yali twakorire nakia kogere team yetu tukweroka team progress the team progressing mang'ana ali twakorira amaya na kogendera gukora ya amaya so borai bwetu it is okay mbubwati any propaganda era tunga union itarakora 1 2 3
mura bamugo face challenges na none chavera
challenge as chikura you know this is an election Goiko monda chago pinge ande chikura chinyi abantu abange bagoja ne propaganda nga torakole lakini ndende kolengana bali baito ba Kisii County mbamanyete nga timu ye office bono iga ekora wa nomo monyakerogo okoro kwa Labani huko ama nomo executive secretary okoro kwa Joseph Abincha ine timu ya kolere meremo yo go kolera balimu county yeye far above average kolenga narabero bwalimu obokoru ase miaka boni gandoje na igire 18 years lakini union te ya kolera balimu meremo bune so na konta itabateba na request ya balimu baito wherever they are ndo se bale ba to na ende opportunity ende elinde togendereria mereme mia tuakorire togenda to prepare ngagi mate ntu bono iga ntu ngo prepare to ngaki tokoleta another new leadership to initiate the new leadership to jago exit to nyora bande bare to trainer ngaki obora ibokoru ngaki arbitration ya okoru ngaki negotiation ya okoru ngaki owajitet ngaki okwanda maandamano you know the last time chairman and the team tulianda maandamano hapa Kisii town not anybody oraje gaiganda maandamano ya Kisii town igaiga so to train abantu peaceful maandamano bali mugara bali peaceful ntu ma the weapon ye tone choka goze whiteboard mark enere weapon ye tone karamu so ya bali mumbara togoja koleta in as a union elinde na barabu gardoja go exit because we are not going to be here permanently ngoru tororo onyo tu train dia band na barabun to bate kero moto ko wala the union ega to exit in mole tabagen elinde progress yegendera raigo to ko tanga bono union ye bone aba ba beroro tiambaru syomba kan nda tabagen abali mbago safa bobepi number 2 ase miake yons to akolire to abere ko 2021 the level of interdictions and dismissal as a county yeto chiachire almost zero. Why am I saying so? Because we embrace negotiation and arbitration mapema. Ekaro mwalimu atwalire issue maybe ne school toko enda obwangu twagenda bwango twaboling problem kyo mwalimu abwate tutebyango principal yaresa mwalimu yaresa twalige middle ground ayenga kyotagete kibuna narolire nabongo konko nabo to request teacher service commission yemubeka sana na teacher service commission ne maete mereme itogokora nabo togogenda kero twajira ro twayetebiringa ki skuru ne bwate problem mwalimu wetu na maybe session na mochando gosene community ngwanjoro mubeke skuru bi teligo kane kiagara we have created that they have created that opportunity yoko negotiate na kwa bitrudi aseme chandel so as a union modern unionism is not like previous unionism where mwalimu aratwale problem osomo chando rabe skuru ogendo ike skuru yobugie sirimbi ne para ne buvusara you know the help at the end of the day tokonyara wakonyire again but the ones to buna bara office bono what the skills yogo negotiate na go arbitrate we have done very well
Veamos sana. Asingincho yebro Mr. Oko. Agora kuniri igoro ngaki mwabeire mukora usengi keri oranyara usanga kere.
Ngajere nkwana igoro ya union yeito. As a branch igoto ara abantu 10 currently. Wedanto tuli obisi tuli 10. Agora beto maitiekyo. Senjo mbaro me betari korrekana ndose.
Yes.
Ito bato mo chairman, mo vice chairman, mo executive secretary, mo assistant yoye. Mo treasurer, mo assistant yoye, mo organizing secretary, mo secretary secondary, mo secretary tertiary. Yo secondary no yo coordinator into the secondary schools. Tertiary yo coordinator into the tertiary institutions kwa Kenya TTC. Alafu ndo bato yo gender. Na bwa bege 10. Kada bege 10. Kero yo mo na wate gasi ai. Lakini nchiro rochire uniform. Akiro monto. Agitation ne akiro monto. Representation ne akiro monto, advocacy ne akiro monto, articulating issues ne akiro monto. Omurai we branch no mo executive secretary. Ne ro monogeri we branch. Ne re ore full time officer we union. Abandi bonspi you are part time officers we union, but we have to igonga ndo bade virasi. Na at the same time to address amangana ya walimu. Kininto to the changes as a constitution ibero binde biche ngikarogia junior secondary bono as a constitution yegenya ngikarogia persons living with disability as a constitution yenyi ngikarogia youth na assistant to gender igonto je to babange ko bwabono to je to be 14 na kerongorigereria we have done very good collaboration na all stakeholders so far Kisi branch to akorega asiengia na stakeholders baito kia roma ite karoma akorega asiengia gendeke mokora amaskani okonyora yani no genda go address issue mwalimu TSC mbaru cha maskani na Minister of Education so because of that ningo getenga tuanyade kwa kishanga our branch is working very well. Challenges are usually there but that's the reason to manage those challenges. So to me tuwakolera banu baitega asingia and we are committed kwenda ukora banu baitega asingia every time bakore is issue we are always available kwa kishanga to handle everything for them.
Okay, mbeyo muno sana timete usemo bwate nganende ochase omwacho murigereri ase chisekondi ibere choka second
njetiganta benga kigendo twale gukwanira kana na rituko ya rero gaiga ni igoro ya ACBA ya sign tu ya balimu amona job group different kigendo ndate gotebanga nonya balimu titwanyolete puna tuaganeti aga CBA kaliga sainetiwe we are not losing hope. The struggle still continues. Torogo sentanyole other things will be included as a CBA. Ndo kumanya kose maybe the economy nature improve as from next year ntosamera tinga kalia progression ngurusuweroro and then togenda serikali nianje to negotiate about our allowances.
Anje tiankole gotebanga mangane sibio maite na benga kogenda umuruani kogenda gutwara gotwachiete twataitengera lakini tukanyora gasusu lakini agasusu kagende atora kanyenya torakaria tonyore chinguru togenderese igi tonyore engira
Mbio muna sana mwancho murigireria abo nigo bare abarimu twarengerere Mr. Okolaba na boigo Mr. Maticha Samuel abo bare omonyakiro go na boigo mukonyo kurasi urusagia rwa kisi zie kiombe kia barimu gia kupete abo no tokorero murobere chekoro kwa matendo boigo mbio muna sana soko bana itu
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere